Hey guys, good morning. Tony here. I had a couple of you guys asking me about NIO, where I think it's headed. Honestly, the direction of NIO looks like it's going to keep going up. I'll be doing a full TA analysis on my YouTube, so if you guys want to do that, go ahead and click the link in my bio and subscribe. But just like a quick recap of NIO. I mean, usually at the end of every single month, it tends to run up, and I do think that right now, after everything dropped, it did hold the $30 price range extremely well compared to other stocks. And I do think NIO has the potential to even keep rising a lot more. So even right now, I think at a $30 price range, I think it's an extremely good buy. And if it drops to $27, I think it's going to be an even better buy. There is a little bit of a chance that it will drop back down and retest the $27 mark. If there keeps being like a big sell-off, but you know, I doubt it. I doubt it. NIO and Alibaba, I think they're holding their prices pretty well, and I just think they're going to keep going up. You know, I love NIO, I love Alibaba, and I think they're going to follow the same road as Tesla.